Hey guys, okay, so I got my GoPro Hero 8 Black in today, so we're going to do the unboxing and going to do a few videos showing what it can do as far as the time warp and the hyper stability, the 2.0. Alright, and I did go ahead and order a battery and another charger. Okay. And that is it. That's the GoPro Hero 8. Let's see what's in the box here. Okay. Of course, you got your USB port, mount, and the battery. Alright. So pretty much just your basic accessories that come along with the GoPro Hero when you get one. Gonna get it charged up and we'll do a few test videos with it, and I'll add those to this video and we'll take a look at it and see what it does. But there it is. GoPro Hero 8. Okay, two of the main changes to the GoPro 8 Black is it has a microphone port here on the front as well as the side. It's supposed to cut down on the wind noise and extras, and there's no longer a need for a frame or case for the camera like you needed for the 7. It has these little fingers that flip out here like that, and then they just simply mount onto any of the normal mounts as usual. But well, here we go. Okay, so this is my new Hero 8 Black, all charged up. It's got the little mode button there that you can switch between functions. One of the newer things is the microphone input here on the front, and the need for no case, of course, like I showed you before. You see them a little better here, are the little fingers that just flip out on either side, and those just mount to your normal GoPro mounts. But we're charged up now. Going to take a look at some of the functions of the touch screen. As you can see there, it's on time warp, and you just swipe to the right to get to video, and then on over for photo. But on the video section, it's got a custom set. You can do 2.7K at 60 frames per second. I've got this on linear. If you touch that, it opens up these others. It has some presets for a standard one, activity, or slow-mo, or you can add and make your own. And that's the same in all the settings, same as in photo here. You can go to wide, you can change. They have a live burst, a burst, night vision, but very user friendly. Got little icons of different things you can set up, and you can change those around as you want. Going to get a few little videos for you. We're going to test it out, but this is my new GoPro 8 Black. Going to be using it with some of the mods that they have for them. They have a media mod that comes with a microphone setup, also a light mod that has a light that goes in a cold shoe mount, and one of the displays that has the 2-inch screen that flips up where you can actually see yourself. So anyway, GoPro 8, here we go with the tour. Low light test of the Hero 8 Black. Just in the parking lot, just parking lot lights. And this is at 2.7K, just the auto settings with the auto low light function on the Hero 8. Here's a little preview of the Hero 8 Black's Time Warp 2.0 feature. See how this video looks for it. And that is the Time Warp 2.0 feature. You can tap the little icon for the Time Warp and it slows down to real time, and tap it again and it goes right back into the Time Warp. Gonna be doing a quick little clip. We'll do some time lapse on a mounted post, and also we'll do some of the tests for the Hyperstabilization 2.0. Here's an example of the Hyperstability 2.0 function. Just walking, holding the GoPro in my hand right now. Walking at a pretty good pace. Usually you could see every footstep. We'll see how this video turns out. Again, just walking with it in my hand to see the Hyperstability 2.0 in action. I'm going to get some time-lapse footage of the sunset this evening from a fixed position with the GoPro Black 8. And that'll wrap up my review of the GoPro Black 8. Hope you enjoyed the videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and hit that bell notification. Thank you for watching.